what's up guys, welcome back. It's me Devika. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this eye makeup tutorial. It's a full cut crease neutral glam eye makeup, and yes, I have shown you step by step how you can create this look. So if you're recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And yes, the most important thing I would like to share with you this, yes, WhatsupBeauty have sent me some products, so I have used their eyeshadow palette and brushes to create this look. So you can have a look. I have insert a picture so you can see. And yes, I'm going to use their brushes from WhatsupBeauty brand. And yes, you can see like they have tapered brush, small, bigger, flatter, blending brushes and pencil brush as well. So let's see how they work. As you can see, they have very good set of brushes, and this is the palette what they have sent me. And you can see the name WhatsupBeauty written over here. It's a monsoon desert palette. They have matte shimmer shade as well, and they are super pigmented. So let's get started. These are the swatches and let's begin now. So for my eye base, I'm going to use this P. Louise base. You can use any concealer if you don't have this, so make sure you blend it very nicely. So I'm going to blend this concealer quickly. Okay, so firstly I'm going to take this shade. It's a dark brown, so yeah, it's pigmented as you can see. Now I'm quickly going to blend this shade. Next I'm using this flat fluffy brush and going to dip into this shade and going to blend on top of that shade and going to blend it. And yes, the color is blending so well. It's highly pigmented and the brushes are so good. They pick the shade very nicely. Next I'm going to use their tapered brush. They have very nice soft tapered brush. The bristles are really very soft. So I'm going to blend the edges now. Next I'm going to use a lighter shade to blend it so that there are no harsh lines. So like basically this video is about a review. I'm using their palette and brushes to see how it really works, and till now it's like working really very nicely. So if you want to buy their like products, WhatsupBeauty, they have their page on Instagram. I'll mention the details like their link as well, purchase link in the description box, so you can check it out. You can see how beautiful it's blended. The brushes work really well. So I'm going to clean my lid now. Next I'm using this concealer. It's from Sugar in shade Cappuccino to cut my crease. Next I am picking up this shimmer shade and going to pat this on my lid. Next I'm creating a wing liner with the help of this concealer so that I can pack some matte shade on it. Next I have used this PAC kajal. It's a cool dark black one. I'm going to smudge it with the smudger. Next I'll apply some mascara on both upper and lower lash line before applying false eyelashes, and don't forget to curl your lashes before applying mascara. So next I'm going to apply these false eyelashes in Noor, and it's from Hina Henna Beauty, and let's see the final look. So this is the final look. Hope guys you can see, oh my god, like this palette is super pigmented and brushes are really very soft, so I will highly recommend their palette. And yeah, they ship worldwide, so I'll mention the details and yeah, link of the purchase link directly in my description box. You can like contact them directly, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.